Sometimes it's a pain to pull those blades off, to sharpen them or swap them out, whatever it may be, but you need to have nice sharp blades if you want to get the best results when you're cutting grass. A lot of times you'll let your blades get worn out too much, then you'll end up with gaps in between their cut paths. You'll end up with little 1-2 blade wide mohawks going down your grass. That's not good. Or your blades just get dull and you end up ripping the grass instead of cutting it. You're not leaving a nice clean cut on the top edge of that grass blade, and then it turns brown. It looks terrible, and you just end up with a worse cut. So make sure you're taking the time to sharpen your blades and change them out whenever they get too bad.